Hi everyone, this is Panchati Mahidhar. Welcome to the math tutorial. It is my new YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain some tips how to read the arithmetic progressions and solve the problems in an easy way. This is the 10th class NCERT syllabus, chapter 5, topic arithmetic progressions. We will go into the session. Successive terms are obtained by adding or subtracting or dividing or multiplying a fixed number to the preceding terms, except the first term. What it means? The first number is always fixed. From there, we have to either add, either subtract, or divide, or multiply with a fixed number to the first number. Such list of numbers is set to form an arithmetic progressions. Some examples: 1. First term is 1. Second is 10. That means 1 into 10 is 10. Third term is 100. So 10 into 10 is 100. 100 into 10 is equal to 1000, and so on. Second expression, 3 multiples of 3. 3 ones are 3. This is first term. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15, and so on. This fixed number is called the common difference. So 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. 12 minus 9 is 3. This is called the fixed number. That is called the common difference. Note: numbers in the arithmetic progression can be positive, negative, or 0, or a combination of both. See the following list of numbers in the pattern: 1, 4, 9, 6. That is, first number is 1, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, and so on. Next, 5, 10, 15. It is a multiple of 5. 5 ones are 1, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, and so on. 16, 14, 10. It is in the decreasing order. Common difference is 2. Here we are subtracting minus 1 to the first term. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Next one is minus 2. Minus 1 of minus 1 is minus 2. So we are adding minus 1, again minus 3, again minus 4, like that. 5, 5, 5, 5. What we are adding, what we are subtracting, what we are multiplying. So here we are adding 0 to the first term. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5, again 0. So here common difference is 0. This is an important note. Here the list of numbers are not finite. Finite means limited. These are not limited because it is continuous and so on. Here the list of numbers are not finite APs. APs means arithmetic progressions. So they are called infinite arithmetic progressions. Such APs don't have the last term. Each of the numbers in the list is called a term. This is one term. This is one term. Okay, these are called terms. If we know the term and the pattern or rule, you can easily write any list of numbers. Pattern means it is in the square, multiplication, division. Okay, if we know that rule, easily we can write n number of numbers in that list, n number of terms in that list. Let us observe the pattern and write a rule. In A, each term is one more than the term preceding it, and every term is a square of that number. Here is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, like that. In B, each term is 5 more than the term preceding it. That means either we can add, that is it is a multiple of 5, or it is a addition of 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, or else 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 3 is 15, and so on. Each term is obtained by subtracting 2 to the term preceding it, where it is in the decreasing order of common difference is 2 here. In D, each term is obtained by subtracting 1 to the preceding term. We are reducing minus 1 to first term, and so on. In each term we are obtaining in each term is obtained by adding 0 to the term preceding it. Some more examples of arithmetic progressions are listed below. Ages of students in the class first to 10th are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Second, Mayur lent rupees 100 to Suma for an interest of 10% each month for a period of 6 months. Mayur's amount for each month becomes 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Koti's marks percentage has increased 10% year-on-year basis till 10th class from the 6th class onwards. His percentage of marks in the 6th class is 60. Marks percentage will be 6th class 60, 7th class 66, 8th class 72.6, 9th class 79.86, 10th class 87.85. The above examples, there are only a finite number of terms. So that is, finite means limited number of terms. Such an AP is called finite AP, limited AP. Y plus D, Y plus 2D, Y plus 3D, it is in the addition. Arithmetic progression is using the formula addition. Y minus D, Y minus 2D, Y minus 3D, we are subtracting a common number to the first term and its preceding term. Y by D, Y by 2D, Y by 3D, it is a division. Y into D, Y into D square, Y into D cube, multiplication of a fixed number to the first term. The above represents an arithmetic progression where Y is the first term and D is the common difference. This is called the general form of an arithmetic progression. Nth term will be written as an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D, where an is equal to nth term, a is the first term, D is the common difference. Here we are going to solve a problem. Mayur applied for a job and got selected. He has been offered the job with a starting monthly salary of 10,000 with an annual increment means that is a common difference. 10,000 is the first term. What would be his monthly salary for the 5th year? Mayur's first year salary is 10,000. His second year salary will be first year salary plus increment, that is equal to second year salary. First, Mayur's starting salary is 10,000. Annual increment is 1,000. So second year salary will be 11,000. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. 10,000 plus 1,000 is equal to 11,000. Third year salary will be second year salary plus increment. 11,000 plus 1,000 is equal to 12,000. Here an is equal to a plus a is the first term, that is starting salary, plus n minus 1, 3 minus 1 into 1,000, that is 2,000. 10,000 plus 2,000 is equal to 12,000. His fourth salary will be 12,000 plus 1,000, 13,000. Same, a power n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D, where n is 4 here, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3,000. 10,000 plus 3 is equal to 3,000 is equal to 13,000. His fifth year salary will be 13,000 plus 1,000, that is equal to 14,000. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. 10,000 plus 5 minus 1 into 1,000, that is 4,000. 10,000 plus 4,000 is equal to 14,000. First year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year salaries: 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000,
14,000.
Another problem is check whether 501 will be the term in the list of numbers 6, 13, 20, 27 and so on. If 501 is not there, find the nearest number to the 501 and find which term is that number. So here they have given 3 parts. Check whether 501 is there or not first. If 501 is not there, find the nearest number. That is the part 2. And part 3 is find which term is that number. We don't know 501 is which term method pattern. Let us assume theta as nth term. An is equal to 501. A1 is equal to 6. This is A1. A2 is 13. This is A2. Hence, common difference is equal to A2 minus A1. That is equal to 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. And formula for finding the nth term is An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the values. An is equal to 501. A is equal to 6. D is equal to 7 in the above equation. An is 501. A is 6. N we don't know. We have to find it out. N minus 1 into 7. 6 we are shifting to the left hand side. 501 minus 6 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. We can rewrite the above equation as n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 495. N minus 1 is equal to 495 divided by 7. Hence 501 is not a term because 495 cannot be divisible by 7, which is the nearest number to that pattern. Find the nearest number to 501, which is the term in that pattern. If we subtract 501 minus 6, 6 is the first number. 501 minus 6 is equal to 495. Here the difference is 7. If we divide 495 by 7, the remainder gives 5. So that means we need to add 2 more to this number so that it will be divisible by 7. If we add in 2 to this number means we are adding 2 to this 501. This is the actual number. So that means we need to add 2 more to 501 so that it fits the formula An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. After adding 2 to 501, then the number becomes 503. This is the nearest number to the 501. Please find the number 503, which is the term in that pattern. Again, we need to use this formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A is equal to 503. An is equal to 503. A1 is equal to 6. A2 is equal to 13. Hence, common difference is equal to A2 minus A1. That is 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Substitute the values of An is equal to 503. A is equal to 6. D is equal to 7 in the above expression. 50T is equal to 6 plus n minus 1 into 7. We are shifting plus 6 to minus 6 to plus 6, it will go to the left hand side, becomes minus 6. 503 minus 6 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. We are replacing, we are rewriting it as, we can rewrite the above equation as n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 497. N minus 1 is equal to 497 by 7. N minus 1 is equal to 71. N is equal to 71 plus 2, that is equal to 72nd term. Thank you.